Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Taking Boy. In this episode, I will be talking about restriction orifice or RO. RO is actually a flow measuring device. Yeah, from this picture you could see that we have a pipeline with flow, and it will pass through of orifice plate. Yeah, you could see that it is like a plate with a very small orifice size. So from this equipment, we could measure the flow rate of the stream. Okay, so actually this is the continuation from the previous episode. It is about PSV. So these two equipment is related in the process simulation. The difference is for PSV, the valve will open when the pressure is above the set pressure, while in RO, the orifice will always open. Yeah, so the flow will always there. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump to the simulation. Okay, so this is the previous simulation about the really fast PSV. Now, uh, for adding the RO, it's actually the same thing with PSV. We're gonna use the same icon. Okay, first of all, I will copy this. I will still split the stream into two in order to observe the flow pressure relationship in through the RO. Okay, so I will, sorry, I will split like this. Then I'll add the relief of RO. Okay, so now in order to change this model into RO, this this currently it is the same PSP, right? I need to go to the parameter and switch the radio button of relief valve to dissection orifice. So now you could see directly what the difference. You don't have any set pressure or for open pressure. Why? Yeah, of course, because the RO will also always open no matter what's the pressure. Difference with the PSV, yeah. If the pressure is above the set pressure, PSV will open. But in this case, our valve, our orifice will always open, never block. So there is no term such as the set pressure or full open pressure. Okay, the next thing is about rating. Still, we need to specify what's the size of the orifice. Yeah, we can manually input the orifice area, or we also can put standard orifice designation. So, for example, I want to put this as D, which corresponds to the 71 millimeter square orifice area. Yeah. Now I want to compare with the really fast model. Yeah, actually, these two model have the same base model in process simulation, but yeah, with some minor difference. Yeah, the first one you could see the set pressure and full open pressure is not available in RO, and then the second one, the valve type. Yeah, we don't have any valve type option in RO. It will always be linear type. Okay, and then the third one about the discharge coefficient in PSV, the default is 1, while in RO the default is 0.83. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so now I still need to specify the RO out pressure. So in this case, I will put it as 101.3. Okay, so now we are able to calculate the flow rate through the RO. So I think that's it for this video. I hope it will be useful for you and see you at the next episode. Bye bye.